Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy, and I have 8 simple and super cute winter crafts that the whole family will have fun making. First up is a little pom-pom pet. If you have never made a pom-pom, this is the perfect craft for you. Start by wrapping yarn around a piece of cardboard. I wrapped mine around 60 to 70 times, but it will depend on the weight of the yarn and how puffy you want your pom-pom to be. Then remove the yarn from the cardboard and tie it tightly around the middle. Next, cut all the loops with really sharp scissors and keep trimming until you have a round, fluffy pom-pom. To finish, you can add whatever details you like. I added a wooden heart to the bottom to make feet, a pom-pom nose, googly eyes, and a bow. Seriously, how cute is this little guy? Next up is a winter hat shelf sitter. Start with a piece of cardstock in the shape of a hat, then grab a craft stick, cut it to the length of the base of the hat, and wrap with yarn, securing both ends with hot glue. You can use hot glue to attach the yarn wrapped stick to the base of the hat, and you can also use hot glue to attach a pom-pom to the top of the hat. Next, to make the hat be able to sit on a shelf, use hot glue to attach Jenga blocks or bits of scrap wood to the back. I love how these turned out, and I think they'd be great on a winter-themed tiered tray. I love these wooden rounds from Dollarama. You get 50 for only $4, and the crafting possibilities are endless. For winter, I painted one blue with little white snowflakes, and I added a Cricut snowman decal. These are so easy and fun to make. Painting rocks is often considered a summer craft, but it's fun in winter too. I turned mine into a snowman with a little paint, a Cricut decal, and a white pom-pom. I love my Cricut for this sort of thing, but if you don't have one, you could just use paint. Hot chocolate is synonymous with getting warm and cozy, so this is a wonderful winter craft. I printed this template with my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could just draw your own. I used hot glue to seal the edges together, leaving an opening at the top. You can use markers or crayons to decorate the mug, but I used a Cricut decal that said, "Let's get cozy." I also added a little detail around the edge of the mug with markers. To finish, pop in a pouch of hot chocolate and enjoy. This is also a great craft for sharing with family and friends. Want to make your own adorable little snow globe? Grab a mason jar, insert cardstock pictures or little trinkets, and then add a little bit of faux snow. You can use whatever you want for inside the snow globe, but if you want to use the snowman and tree that I designed, I'll leave a link to the free download below. You can really get creative and have fun with this one. Next up is a snowman craft and a snack. You'll need coffee filters, suckers, markers, and a pipe cleaner. You start by taking the coffee filter and placing it over the sucker. Then secure it in place with a bit of a pipe cleaner. This is going to be the snowman's scarf. Then you can draw a face on the snowman using stickers or markers. I have a Cricut, so I made a cute little decal. To finish it off, you can use hot glue to attach a couple of buttons to the front. I also had a little plastic hat in my craft stash, so so I added that, but this is totally optional. These are almost too cute to eat. Almost. We're going to finish this video with one last snowman craft, and this one is my favorite. You'll need to start by painting a wood round white. I just used craft paint from my local dollarama. After the paint was dry, I used my Cricut to make a decal that said, "You're worth melting for." If you don't have a Cricut, you can use a paint marker for this step. Next, use hot glue to attach a white bead to the wood round and draw a face on the snowman's head with Sharpies or paint pens. I also added a little snowman hat that I had in my craft room, but this step is totally optional. To finish, draw on some buttons and some stick arms. Seriously, how cute is this little guy? Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye!